In today's episode of Tony's Tips, we asked the question, do snow-covered roof vents breathe? So, to answer the question, we field tested a Snowventco snowproof roof vent with a smoke bomb. And the answer is yes. The snow-covered roof vent breathes just fine. Naturally, the vent breathes better when not snow-covered, but be careful what you wish for. When a roof vent is not snow-covered, the vent is exposed to the seemingly constant winter winds. Steady winds and fine blown snow particles will combine to defeat many roof vents, triggering moisture inside your attic. A good roof vent must stop both storms as well as steadily blowing fine snow, both of which can destroy your insulation and trigger mold. My tip? Install the CSA-approved Snowventco snowproof roof vent and prevent any moisture penetration while allowing your attic to breathe.